There's one room in the house that everybody wants all to themselves. It's the me time room, the new look room, the bathroom. Keeping it clean? Well, that's a never-ending job. CLR Bath Kitchen makes it easy. Its fast-acting foam spray works on cloudy shower doors, makes faucets sparkle, and porcelain and tile gleam without phosphates, ammonia, or bleach. It even carries the EPA's Safer Choice seal. And like the name says, Bath Kitchen is also perfect for the other most important room, the kitchen. Anywhere there's buildup, Bath Kitchen cuts right through. It tackles everything from hard water deposits to dulling film and grime. And of course, it's safer for the family. CLR Bath Kitchen, EPA Safer Choice Partner of the Year, making the world a little cleaner. Visit us on Facebook and Twitter or get more information at clrbrands.com.